back in trailer now, and we're just going to have a look today at building and creating the dashboard for all the components to go in. I'm just checking it's parallel. So that took a bit of doing in that tight space, but we'll give it a try now, see if it'll fit. Let's get it the right way around. So I've just offered the little base into position and marked this line, which is the underneath of that point. So I'm just going to cut a mark through to give me a location, and we'll mark up on the front edge to get this line and this hole. Right, we'll set that to one side to dry. So now we need to make some sort of housing to house the stereo. So I think what I'll do to hold it in position is, there's two screw holes there with a thread on. Screw a tab up and leave that long until I know the exact position. I can just fix it in there and I'll stop it sliding in and out. So I'll do the same now. I'll just take the stereo place it behind the dashboard and mark around exactly, and then we'll cut that out. So now I'm going to put the diesel heater controls exactly in the middle, and I'm just going to try, because it ain't got like a lip on this, so I'm going to try and cut the steel out so it's exactly up to them edges. Yeah, I don't like that. I think it looks a bit not right good, to be honest. I'm going to do the full size and just allow for them, I think, and just project it out. So we're running a bit low on space now, but we'll squeeze it all in. And finally, the last job, we've just got four toggle switches to put in. So I've got the dashboard together now, and the only thing what I've wired up if you're wondering how I'm going to put the remotes in to control the computer, if you go back to my previous video, in the window ledges down here, they're the controller ports, so I can put the controllers into the window boards, or the ledges if you want to call it. They run up with an extension lead into the PlayStation, so off we go. It took a bit of fiddling about all this, setting all the heights of everything, getting everything precisely cut out, mounted. So in the meantime now, drop back and get everything wired up, and thanks for watching.